All right, what's going on with you out there today, YouTube? Today I'm showing people that still want to lift weights how to incorporate bands with the weights to get the maximum resistance that they could get at the top of their movements. Because most times where exercises using weights, it's the same weight from the top and the bottom, but we're adding bands, it's variable. So the resistance from the bands, the more you push the weight, the more resistance you get on the weight that's on the bar as well. So showing you how to hook it up with this for the bench. So at the bottom, it's like 45 pounds, which is the bar. But as I push up to the top, it's the resistance of the bar getting added onto it till I reach the very top for the maximum resistance. By doing so, it'll help you get stronger at the bottom too, because overall the muscle as a whole is getting overloaded with more weight than what it's used to handling at the time. So that'll help your bench shoot up. Same thing with the squat. Now, most gyms have pegs on their machines for the bands. This one, unfortunately, does not. So I'm showing you how to put it in place to act as a peg. So take some heavy dumbbells, then probably like some 25 plates to keep it in place. Then after that, you could wrap it around it as you would around the pegs. But if you have pegs, you don't have to worry about this. You can just hook it to the pegs, and then you can just get right to work. But same thing with the squat, like at the bottom of the squat, you are your weakest, and at the top, you're your strongest. So by adding bands, it kind of accommodates that by making it harder as you push up towards the top of your squat, while just having the weight on the bar at the bottom to help you get used to handling more resistance as well. Now with the deadlift, I'm doing it this way because once again, I don't have pads. Some gyms do have pads, so you could use 2 bands. But as I did with the bench, I'm just gonna wrap the 1 band around it. Then for this, I'm gonna put my feet on it and just perform the deadlift as normal. And that's pretty much how you could set up bands for the big 3 exercises. Using bands on exercises, I highly only recommend for compound movements as these and not for isolation movements.